Yo, what's up guys? My name's Alex, and in this video we are going to talk about free bets, right? Like here's DraftKings, you can see get a free bet, refer your friends and you both get a free bet of $100. MLB free bet, opt in to get a $10 free bet to MLB. Free bets, they're not the same thing as cash. They're not the same thing as cash. So there's a different strategy for using free bets optimally. And this is a 100% free feature on OddsJam. You're just going to want to go to low holds. But first, let's talk about what is a free bet. What are these free bets that DraftKings and many other sportsbooks in the US and Canada offer? So with a free bet, the difference between placing a free bet in cash versus a free bet is when you place a bet in cash, you get your principal back if you win. So for example, let's say that the Milwaukee Bucks are plus 100 odds, okay? If I place $100 cash on the Milwaukee Bucks, they win, I get back $100 profit, it was plus 100 odds, and my $100 that I staked. So I bet $100, I get back $200. With a free bet, you only get back your profit. So if you put in a $100 free bet on the Bucks, you only get back the $100 of profit. You don't get back $200, right? You don't get back your stake. So this is important because that means you want to place your free bets at long odds, plus 400, plus 500. And the reason we can kind of talk about is we can go through a little bit of the math. So let's say that we have an $100 free bet. I refer you to DraftKings, you're my friend, and I place my $100 free bet on something that's minus 500 odds. Literally, if that free bet wins, I only get back $20 of cash. So even if my bet wins, even if my free bet wins, I only get back $20. My $100 free bet is worth $20 in cash. That's not too good. So what if I bet something minus 200 odds? I place a bet minus 200 odds, and I get back $50. Right? The profit is $50, so I don't get back the $100 from the stake for a free bet. I only get back the profit, so I only get back $50. My $100 free bet is worth $50 if my team wins. Whereas if I would have placed that bet with cash on something minus 200 and my team were to win, then I would be getting back a total of $150, okay? So you can kind of go through here, and what we'll say is we'll just use the fair break-even win probability. So let's say I place, something minus 500, it's going to win 5 out of 6 times. Something minus 200 is going to win 2 out of 3 times, right? Something plus 100 is going to win 50% of the time. It's just flipping coins. If I place a bet at plus 100, if I win 50%, lose 50%, I break even. I'm profiting 100, losing 100, profiting 100, losing 100. So what you'll see is if we take the free bet winnings, right, which is here, if I place my free bet on something plus 500 and it wins, there's a $500 profit. The stake was $100. We don't get back the stake. We only get back the profit, $500. We see that we get $500 back, and that only wins 1 out of 6 times. Plus 500 break-even odds is 1 out of 6, just like plus 100 is 1 out of 2, plus 200 is 1 out of 3. So what we can see here is the expected value of that free bet is the win probability, 1 over 6, times the free bet profit, 83.83. So what you can see is as the odds get higher, minus 500, minus 200, plus 100, plus 200, plus 500, the value of the free bet goes up. Your profit gets higher. So you want to place your free bet on something with higher odds, right? The expected value of a free bet, even if it's an $100 free bet placed at minus 500 odds, is only $16, $16.65. Whereas placing that free bet at plus 500 odds, it's worth $83.83. Which one would you rather have, right? $83 for a free bet, or $16? Obviously $83, guys. So that is the importance of placing your free bet on something with high odds, is you're not getting back your stake. It's not like placing a bet with cash because you do not get back your stake. So you need to bet on long shots, okay? So let's go to the low holds page. Why is this useful? Let's say we have that $100 free bet on DraftKings. What we can do is, again, betting tools, low holds page on OddsJam. This is 100% free for everybody. Is you click on this low hold filters thing, and we can enter DraftKings. I'm in New Jersey, pick your state, whatever you want to do. And then I want to hit this DraftKings sort by conversion percentage, okay? You want to do sort by conversion percentage, and it will show you the best free bet opportunities, the absolute best free bet opportunities. So what we can see here is Padres minus 3.5 plus 650. That's pretty long odds. That's pretty good, right? That's pretty great. So what we can do is pull up the calculator, and you can actually see if you want to hedge your free bet on another book. Like I have 5 dimes here, DraftKings here. If I want to hedge my free bet on 5 dimes, I can turn my $100 free bet into this conversion percentage into $77.29 in cash. Okay, how do we do this? And then in the second example, so you can kind of see, right? You have all these different conversion percentages for DraftKings free bets. You obviously want to place it on something higher. The higher, the better. $77.29 if you're going to hedge it is better than $71.59 here. So you can click on this calculator, right? This calculator is on the far left of the screen. And what you can see is, let's say that free bet, again, was $100 on DraftKings. I refer you, you're my friend, get a free bet. You and your friend both get up to $100. I put $100, my $100 free bet on this Padres minus 3.5 plus 650, right? It tells me exactly how much I need to bet on the other side in order to guarantee a profit of $77.29 no matter the outcome. And that amount of money is $572.71. I would want to place on the minus 741 Dodgers plus 3.5 on 5 dimes. And you can think about it, right? If I place my $100 free bet on Padres minus 3.5, in the Padres win by 4, 5, 6 runs. They cover the spread. I'm getting back $650 in profit, okay? But I'm losing $572.71 on my hedge, right? Dodgers plus 3.5 would lose. These are equal and opposite outcomes. So my profit would be $77.29, okay? 650 in profit from the free bet minus 572.71 is $77.29. Now, if my free bet loses, I lose nothing. Okay, I lose nothing if my free bet loses, but I win $572.71. That much money placed on minus 741 odds gives you a total profit in dollars of $77.29. So, again, regardless of the outcome, you don't even care. You're making $77.29 from your $100 free bet. Okay. So, just to recap, free bets are inherently worse than cash. You don't get back your stake. That sucks, right? You place an $100 cash bet. If that wins, you get back your stake and the profit. If you place it with a free bet, it's not like you get back the $100 stake from the free bet. You don't get back another free bet or something. You just get back the profit. So you want to place your free bets on long odds. That's how free bets are different than cash. And that means the strategy is you want to place them on bets with long odds. And if you want to hedge them, you go to OddsJam, you go to low holds, you click this low holds filters button, you do sort by conversion percentage, and you can enter a specific bookmaker. So maybe that free bet's on FoxBet, whatever. You can put in sort by conversion percentage and do FoxBet. And here we see the best one, 75.95% there. So that's a little bit about free bets, free bet conversions, and everything like that. We have a lot of cool features on OddsJam, right? We have arbitrage, which a lot of people love. Risk-free money sports betting, right? What could be better? We have the positive expected value page, shows you spots with value versus, compared to the sharpest bookmaker in the world, Pinnacle. So a lot of people like that. And then finally, we have a bet tracker, track your bets, your winnings and losses. We have a great blog. You want to read about sports betting, who can't get more content. And then finally, we have an API. We power some big companies and some small companies in the sports betting industry, and we'd be happy to power yours as well. So if you do run a sports betting business, please feel free to check out our API. That's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Free bets, free bets, free bets. You'll get a lot of them as a US or a Canadian sports bettor, so learn how to maximize them and take advantage.